Oh, Ace, we will go on a staycation, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah. Promise?
Yes.
Promise. Papagaling yung anak ko, ha?
Yes.
Love you.
Love you too.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Looking at you. Hi.
Only to look at this.
Yeah. Happy.
Why? No.
Watching lemmings.
Barbie cards, you will regret.
Gagaling na yung anak ko eh, no? Gagaling na si Ace, no?
Really miss my grandparents na.
Stop crying, Mal. Masakit pa rin yung legs niya.
No. I don't see anything here. I don't see anything here.
Normal eye mo. Nak,
Oh no,
papalitan.
he's gonna burn! He's gonna burn! He's gonna burn! Come here!
May pasok ko muna sa pasok. Yum! Sabi mo, yum. Hello! Pagaling ka na, Ace. What?
I like to eat. Pupus and banudu. Thank you, Mama Mary.
Oh!
Good thing that we can move this TV so Ace can watch from anywhere in this room. Uwi na si Ace! Are you happy? Yeah! Good.
Kain na na.
Let's eat. Let's eat.
Mix mo na.
Okay, I will mix na.
Wait na siya.
Uwi na.
Wow! Uwi na si Ace.
It's continuing to hurt. Ah.
Inhale, exhale tayo.
Inhale lang na. Malalim.
Inhale.
Ay, exhale. Oh, si wala.
Tapos mo yan ng 2 minutes para mag-stop yung blood, ah?
Going home na. Going home. Hot dog.